Today we are going to release a slow loris, which scientific name is Nectibus benglensis. Actually, it was seized from a place at compartment number 1 of Sarangsing block, and now we are going to release it in compartment number 12 of Sarangsing same block. Actually, this is one of the endangered species, and this is nocturnal and also arboreal animal. So I think today when we release this animal at this very deep forest of this compartment, I will not disclose the exact place. It will really hope that this animal will be safe. So I appeal to everyone who find such animals to enter to their home, street or locality. Please save them and hand over to the forest department. Thank you. चलो 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 फिर video खुलना मुको नहीं काव रे 통는 시계다. 이거 어디 뭐